Hello, this is yet another envelope pieces that I actually had already made. I don't know how long ago, but basically all I did was cut it at a corner that I thought was good for an envelope, window envelope. I don't know if I did this again for what I did it for. This might have been a Roxy's creation challenge or something, but it's been laying around and I want to use it up. So let's just go with what I have on hand. I've been keeping digitals and not using them for a while now. So, and other pieces here and there. So let's just use it up, right? Sorry if I'm really quiet. I'm not trying to be quiet. It's just one of them days. There we go. Get that a little bit more straight, maybe. No, that ain't gonna happen. Alright. You know what? I'm gonna just stick a ribbon right there. I have this ribbon sitting here. It's not doing anything but collecting. So sometimes when you have stuff that's just sitting and collecting, do something with it. Like I am. Again, I'm just going to use this ribbon again right across here. Might as well use it. Otherwise, it's just gonna sit and collect. So if you have anything like this that you just let sit and collect, ribbons and stuff like that work great for pieces like this. To just use. Okay, and then I think I want to place the ribbon one more spot, which is right here. After I get the other stuff done. Or do I want it across here? You know what? I'm going to run it across. So now I know what I'm doing with this sheet of paper. First thing I'm going to do is glue it across here. So let's just do this, right? Doesn't matter if I get that very top perfect because, again, we'll be running that ribbon across, so not as big of a deal as it could have been. Yeah, stuck to my hand. Get that off there. I'm just grab a hold this way. Got that one done. Now this one. You know what? This can sit here. It ain't gonna matter much as long as I get this directly where I want it. Okay. But again, I'm just collaging at this point. Well, the way I want it to look. This one, as long as I get it straight, that ain't gonna matter too much. Okay. And this is what I'm doing. You do not need to do this if you don't want to. But I'm just tucking it into the back. I think that makes it look nicer. But that's your personal choice kind of a thing. All right. And again, I'm just cutting this quick. And I suppose this is another envelope tuck. I didn't even think about that. Kind of like our last one. I'm not too concerned about it looking pretty because I know I'll be trimming it more soon, so not a big deal. Just as long as I get that haziness away. All right, so now I kind of want to make this fit in here well, so what I'm going to do is this. All right. And I guess I could have easily made window envelope tuck spots. I just didn't realize I was doing it. Now this part, I'm personally don't like how that opens up, so I want to make sure that's glued down pretty good there. And I also have to figure out which side I want to, do I want it this way or do I want it this way? And I think I'm going to have it this way. So I'm going to glue all the way up this side here. Sorry if I was off screen there. Didn't mean to. And then I'm going to get these two spots. So, I mean, there is a difference between this one and the other window envelope that I did. So, I hope you enjoyed this little video. And, again, I'm probably going to work off screen on these two. But, again, I wanted to show you how different ones are made. Not always the same. They're all different. So I hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day or night. Bye.